Kanban board on your dry erase wall. The Japanese word Kanban conveys the idea of a sign, a poster, or a billboard, and literally means visual board. Your dry erase wall can be used in many effective ways, even without the latest in pricey high-tech add-ons. How does the Kanban method work? Kanban boards divide a project into modules or columns, helping teams keep track of all their tasks. Through the various stages of completion and allowing everyone involved to be constantly aware of the moving pieces. Using this method in conjunction with a premium dry erase painted wall can help your team turn ideas into actions and actions into great organizational success. Kanban boards also have educational value. The visual and sequential qualities of Kanban boards also make them great educational tools. They ensure that everyone on your team and everyone involved in a work project or product development effort is informed of and understands every stage and gateway an undertaking must go through before it ultimately reaches end users. Visually track your work using a dry erase wall Kanban board. Kanban boards facilitate the maximum and most productive use of resources, as they eliminate confusion by keeping team members continually informed of what specific tasks they need to tackle next in a project. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.